Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. Howdy, howdy, everybody. Hope everybody's good and safe with everything going on. It is a beautiful day out here. Let me see if I can get y'all to see. Focus. Focus. Okay, I can't show you. It ain't focusing. Kinda. Ooh. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Today's video is gonna be kind of a little bit different. I recorded let's see, day before yesterday, I guess it was, the packaging of that big VCR DVD combo unit. So that's going to be today's video and show y'all that. And maybe it'll help somebody. It's not going to be for everybody or entertaining. Just kind of showing me packing that up. So if you want to ship bigger, heavy items, it'll kind of give you an idea and point you in the right direction, I hope. But we're in here. It's Sunday morning right now. We've been here putting together a rack to put my bubble wrap and my packing paper and all on. So I'll show that to you after you get done watching this clip coming up. But I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and it's good to have you all here. So y'all enjoy this. I'm gonna get in here and put this thing together and we'll come back to you. Alright, we're fixing to pack up this big VCR here. It's a great old big one. And it measures, just for reference, 17, 13, 3.5. So basically all I'm going to do to this is I'm going to take some of this foam here. Tear it off like that. Fold this up. Like that right there. And throw that over here for now. Then we're just gonna take some bubble wrap. Piece out here. Lay another piece right next to it. Stick this puppy right here on top of it. Take that foam we cut, and that's just gonna go over the front here. Ain't gotta be pretty. We ain't in no beauty contest here. And then we're just gonna wrap this up over top of it and go this way with this one. Like it. I'm gonna put a piece of tape right here, kind of hold this down. I'm gonna tape that right here. We put that foam there on the front to protect the controls, you know, a little bit. Okay, that one's almost out. Let me grab another piece. And we're gonna do the same thing. The other way. If you like me, you ain't hardly got no space. Got that big old table and still ain't got room. It's here. Fold this over. Fold this piece over. Same thing this way. Fold this piece over. Fold this piece over. Tape on here to hold this on. Then we're just gonna fold this up. Put some more tape right here. little bit of tape on the back. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, set this down here. And then we're just gonna kind of wrap it in some foam here. More foam. And just take the snot out of it. And we'll throw a piece on this end. And then I'll do the same to this end. Like I say, it ain't got to be pretty. About like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this little box here, throw it up here. We got this old piece of cardboard here. We're just going to kind of shove it down in here best we can. Just strengthen it up just a little. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and cut this box down. Like right there is what I need. That deep, so it's going to. Okay, we're going to take
on the other side.
Come out here, cut down to them lines. Okay. Then we're going to cut these flaps off. I could have did this first, but I didn't. We're going to save these flaps. And we'll get to that in a second. Okay. Now I'm going to put some of this, more of this foam. Throw it down in the bottom here. Just add a little bit of cushion. Put some paper and throw in here. like that. See that bed of paper we got down in there? I'm just gonna set this down in here on the nice little bed of paper we got there. And we're gonna take these flaps here, come down just a little bit more. Put them on the edges like this. And basically what I'm doing is I'm making a dual wall box out of a normal box with these flaps. Throw that last one over here on this end. About like that, okay? And then now we're gonna take some more of this foam. And some paper. And I'm gonna put paper down in here. And I'm gonna pay close attention to these corners. Straight down in them edges. Okay. Now I got this remote. So we're gonna shove it down on the side here. And then this paper's gonna go on this side here, okay? And we'll just throw some more paper on the other side. Kind of start filling it in. Okay, then we're going to take this foam and just kind of lay it in here. Okay, then we're going to take one of these thank you cards, throw down on top of it, and then we're going to lay some of these scrap pieces I got. Cut off the other boxes and just kind of lay them on here. Fold that down. Fold this down. About like that right there. And that's it. Now we're going to tape it up. That's gonna be it right there. That's all we're gonna do to it. Yeah, it's got a hole in this box. See that? So we'll just throw some paper over that right here. That's gonna be about it.
check the other side.
So that's
Flip it
gonna.
over. There's a small one right there.
So that's gonna get there perfectly safe. It weighs in at 16 pound 8 ounces. So right here I'm gonna put 16.8 VCR, and then we gotta measure this box now. So we're at 22.5 by 19 by 8. Just like that. And I'll put them in my thing and we'll print that label and see how much it cost. Alrighty guys and gals, so hopefully you enjoyed that, maybe learned a little bit from it. And that was just kind of a real-time, no editing video. And we got this rack put together. You can see this. I'm gonna get some big bubble to put up here too. But right now I just got this foam stuff up here. And then I got my paper here. And see, this is a lot better than just having it scattered, so we can move it as we need it. It's on wheels. Got that at the Walmart on clearance, $9. Heck yeah. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. So we got that together, as y'all can see. Uh-oh, I'm gonna make you dizzy. We got a little bit over here. And the other day I got my clips mixed up, and I told y'all what that shipping label cost, and y'all probably think, what in the world is he talking about? But that shipping label for what y'all just seen packed up was like $14.47 or something, I think. So it wasn't too bad. Just make sure if you're doing the bigger, heavier items, if you do, it's better to do calculated shipping starting off until you kind of, because I mean, some of that stuff is heavy. It can throw you for a loop and cost you a lot of money. But what I like to do is whenever I weigh the item, I'll measure it, weigh it. I bake in a few more inches for the box, you know, just to be on the safe side. And then I'll add some weight to it for the box, the packing, what I think it's going to be. And then I'll add just another pound or two to cover the bubble wrap I use, the boxes, the foam, the paper, all that kind of stuff, kind of bake it in. So just a thought for you. But we just wanted to come over here and get that done today. And yeah, I don't think we're going to do nothing else over here. I took some pictures of another combo unit. Now we got another one out to test. We'll probably do that tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys and gals in. You all stay safe wherever you're at. Have fun. The world ain't ending yet. Get outside, do something. Play video games. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Listen to stuff. But till tomorrow, guys. We'll see you all then.